Smartphone OnePlus 8T, one of the latest innovations of OnePlus, opening a new era of mobile technology. This is a functional, powerful and at the same time very elegant device that will take its rightful place in the list of your favorite gadgets. The smartphone has an exceptional build quality, excellent speed, reliability, perfect ergonomics. All these characteristics are inherent in this device. The OnePlus 8T smartphone is equipped with a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 120 GHz refresh rate and support for always-on display. Its maximum brightness is 1100 nits. The screen is straight, without rounded sides, which were the predecessor. The main camera includes 4 sensors, 48 megapixel main, Sony IMX586 f1 and 8, 16 megapixel wide angle f2 and 2, 5 megapixel macro f2 and 4 and 2 megapixel portrait f2 and 4. The new OnePlus 8T is equipped with an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G support. It has RAM up to 12GB and internal memory up to 256GB. The phone has 2 batteries with a total capacity of 4500 mAh. There is support for ultra-fast charging with a power of 65W. The adapter is included, unlike the new iPhone 12. The manufacturer promises to save 80% of the battery capacity after 800 charging cycles. Clad in an aluminum alloy case and the latest frosted tempered glass with unique color solutions, the OnePlus 8T was created thanks to the hard work of hundreds of company specialists. Flagship technical characteristics are combined with a subtle and elegant design. This is what real craftsmanship looks like. View the world from a 123 degrees wide viewing angle through an ultra-wide angle lens.